Good afternoon, folks. A dead battery in a car or a truck or van or RV or motorcycle is one thing, but there's another problem that can be solved for virtually nothing. It just takes about 5 minutes to clean the battery terminals. And over the years, I've done that with cars, trucks, motorcycles. This RV, the previous RV that I had, and the solution is a simple $5 battery terminal cleaner that you can buy on Amazon for $5. Um, I've had one of these Schumacher. Where's a picture of it here? One of these Schumacher battery terminal cleaners for years, and I've used it on all kinds of vehicles. I always carry it with me in my car. Um, and it has an inside part that's used to clean the inside of the cable or the battery cable where it goes over the terminal, and this brush here cleans the actual terminal. So anyway, like I say, for $5 you can have this problem solved. Now, when I took this picture, I had a weak battery in my Honda. I was towing it behind the motorhome. But just this past weekend, I was in Fallon, Nevada, and I overnighted at a Walmart store there. And I got up in the morning, and I've got solar panels on this RV. My batteries are in good shape. And anyway, I got up in the morning and I had to be somewhere. And I went to start the RV and it wouldn't start. Well, I have a boost switch in this RV which connects the house battery to the starting battery, and I pressed that and tried to start it again. And at that point, I noticed that the battery voltage read fine, but when I put the load on it, when I turned the key, it dropped down to next to nothing. So it was a no-brainer. I went out and I took off the battery cables on the RV battery, which is under this cover here. I used my Schumacher battery terminal cleaner to clean the battery posts, and I went back in and it started right up. So anyway, people that know about cars and trucks and vans and upkeep and so forth know about this, but even those people need a reminder now and then. Keep your battery posts and terminals clean, because it'll save you a lot of time. Anyway, like I say, for $5.99 or $4.99, actually, you can buy this thing from Amazon, and they'll deliver it to you if you have Prime, and you can carry it with you in your car, your truck, your van, or you might even want to buy a couple if you have a boat or something. But in any case, this is Laughlin 007 with a tip that I know for sure is going to help some people out there. Maybe right now they're searching for a way to get their battery started when actually the battery is okay. It's the connection with the cables that go to the engine. Anyway, this is Laughlin 007 signing off for now. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, by all means, tap that lucky gold horseshoe down there in the right-hand corner. It only takes a second. It doesn't cost a dime. I've got a ton of horse racing videos on my channel. Plus, I've got several do-it-yourself repaired kinds of things. And I'm getting into RVing. I mean, I've been a full-time RVer for 20 years, most of the time camped off-grid. And when the virus hit, I started staying at a friend's house down in Arizona. I was there for 5 years, but as of 2 weeks ago, I'm back out being a snowbird. I travel from Arizona in the winter up to somewhere in northern United States in the summer where it's much cooler. And so I'm going to be having all kinds of content like that on this channel. So like I say, if you haven't subscribed, check that lucky gold horseshoe down there in the right-hand corner. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching and good luck out there.